News. WTC. Final. New Zealand. 101 halves. Replying to India's 217. New Zealand. Ended a truncated third day of the World Test Championship final against India on 101 for 2 wickets. Here on Sunday, India had scored 217 in their first innings. The day ended prematurely when dark clouds covered the Hampshire Bowl, making the visibility poor for play. At close, Captain Kane Williamson was batting on 12 balls. Devon Conway, 54, 153 balls, was out just moments before the umpires decided that the light was not good enough for batsmen to carry on. New Zealand now trail India by 116 runs. R. Ashwin and Ishant Sharma took the 2 wickets.